Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Hotjar account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you install Hotjar onto your WordPress website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to install Hotjar into your WordPress website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to track your user behavior. It can help guide future business decisions. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. Most of it's going to be handled here in your Hotjar dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Hotjar account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add Hotjar or install Hotjar onto a WordPress website, first you're going to go ahead and add the property. So up here on the top left, click on this menu. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down with all of your websites. But you want to click here, add new site. Once you do that, go ahead and choose the organization. So for me, it's just this organization. And we're going to go ahead and add the site name. So this is a website that I manage. So we're going to add this one in, Mr. Kitchen Gadgets. And then you're going to add the URL here. Okay, there's the URL. And then we're going to click here and then choose the sector. So let's do media. Okay, now you have to confirm that you're the owner of the site, and we're going to click on add site. Okay, now we have a website ID. This is what we're going to need. So it's not going to be set up until we install the tracking code. So what you're going to need to do is go into the WordPress admin board. So here we are in the admin. So what we're going to do is go here to plugins and add new plugin. Okay, go ahead and search plugins, and we're going to type in Hotjar. Okay, we're going to scroll down and look for the Hotjar logo and click on now. Okay, now it's installed. Now we want to activate it. Okay, now that we have the plugin activated, what we're going to do is here on the left, we're going to go ahead and just hover over the settings right here. And you should see Hotjar right here. Go ahead and click on Hotjar. Okay, so for an installation, what we're going to need is the Hotjar ID. So we can come back over here to Hotjar. Here is our ID. We'll just click on there. And once you click on it, the site ID is right here. And we can go ahead and just copy that. And we're going to go back here to the WordPress dashboard and just paste that right in. And you want to click on Save Changes. Okay, now it's installed. So we can come back over here to Hotjar. Okay, now we are back here in Hotjar. Make sure that you're working in the correct property up here on the top left. And then click on Verify Installation. Okay, now we want to click here, Verify Installation. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes, and now you can see a quick pop-up saying that it has been verified. So now Hotjar can go ahead and start gathering data on user behavior. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to install Hotjar into your WordPress website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.